But what I want to also do on top of that is, if this is going into an area where there are a lot of files, or I want to make sure these are easier to find in the future to search for, I should tag them as well. So in order to do that, I click on See All here, which takes me to a larger view of that one location, which was the broadcast files. And you can see here the tagging column is empty. All I do is click on Quick Edit, and this basically opens the files in an Excel-like view that allows me to edit them quickly and easily. So if I was to say here, this picture, let's say it's of class 1, I can start typing out a tag and select it. So there's class 1. Once I click on another cell, that is now saved, that tag. So let's say for our untidy Word document here, that's a draft. Now you don't have to limit yourself to one tag, so maybe this is a draft of a policy. So there we are, we've tagged it with 2 tags, so draft and policy. And then let's say this is a complete policy, so this can be a policy as well. And maybe this is something to do with GDPR. It's a useful one. So there we go. I've tagged them very quickly. Your other option around tagging is, if you don't know what your options are for tagging, you can click on this little icon here, and I would suggest you then click on this icon again here, and this allows you to browse through the tags that exist at the moment. So there's quite a few that are already predefined based on what was migrated over from the network drives. So you can double click on as many as you like to tag a file, and then click OK, and you can see it's added them there. You've got a choice of whether you're replacing everything that's already there. I would just suggest you always replace, so click OK, and you can see now it's tagged that file with those 3 terms. And then finally on tagging, for individual files, if you needed to add a brand new tag, so say you want to upload all of these 4 files, they're in the maths department, and this is to do with algebra, but there's no algebra tag, so we can start typing that out. There's no algebra. You simply again go here, and you'll notice up here there's an add new item. So now you can see it's created a new tag, and I can start typing it out. So algebra. So not only has it created the new tag, it's already selected it here. And let's say maybe I want another one. There we go. And I click OK. So now that has created a new tag for me. And then one final note on tagging is, just in case you have a lot of files to tag, it is also possible to copy and paste quite easily. So say in fact all of these were to do with algebra for 2015-16. First off, I've got the option I can just drag it down like that, like you would do in Excel. Or you same in Excel as if you needed to do it just individual ones. Say actually I want to copy class 1, so I've done Control C on my keyboard, and now just for this one here, Control and V on my keyboard, and so I'm either able to drag down copies to quickly change a lot of files in one go, or I can select individual ones, use Control C and Control V, which is copy and pasting, to take an individual tag and paste it in multiple files.